And we're back to HTML Canvas. Let me show you how to draw a circle. We're going to use our canvas yet again, and we've created this 2D object, but let me rename it back to CTX. And we want to get rid of our line. So let me delete this stuff right here. To draw a circle, we still need to begin a path. So now it's called CTX, but then we'll use an arc. So we're not going to move points to draw lines. Instead, we'll use this arc, and afterwards we'll have to call a stroke. For now, it's not visible. We need to enter. You could see the first three values as X position, Y position, and radius. And the second values are for starting and end point of the circle. Let me show you this. Here we need 2. So a circle usually 2 times P. First position X, so I can move it to the center position with 300. 500 divided by 2 is 250, so now it's in center of the Y position. 40 is the radius, so if I make it 140, it gets bigger. And as I've said, 0 and 2 times P. This is for the entire stroke of the circle. You can add 90, for example, or 350, but it's better to think in P. So if you add 0, it's obviously 0 times P. I don't have to write times P here. Well, let me show you what it looks like if I add P here to the first value. So I make it 0.5 times math.p. Or do you call it pi in English? But you get what I mean here. So 0.5 is the bottom position. 1 times math.p would be the left position. 1.5 is the top position and 2 is the right position. So this is how you can adjust it. The first value here is the starting point and the second the end point. So if you want to have an open circle, you can play around with that. Let's change the stroke a little bit. We can still use the stroke style like we did with our line. Let me make it red. I haven't yet shown you how to make this line thicker. We have a simple line width for that, so ctx.linewidth, and I set it to 5 pixels. We can also add a fill, and we have a fill style for that. Let me make it orange. But you can't directly see it. Let me refresh it. It's just like with the stroke. You can see we've added a red stroke style, but in the end we've also called the stroke. And we need to call the fill as well to have it visible. So let me separate this a little bit. You can see it better. So ctx.fill, open brackets, and now our circle is orange. And this is how you can create a circle using HTML Canvas. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.